so what's your name and what grade are you in?
My name's Khadijah. I'm a 9th grade.
Elijah, and in 10th grade.
Sabicon, 11th grade, junior.
My name's JT, your boy, a freshman.
I'm Edgar. I'm a junior here at Evergreen High School.
How do the fresh produce and the fig bars compare to the snacks you were eating before?
I was eating mad junk food before. Like, I go to the store like every morning and have like heck of junk food.
I was eating like freaking hot Cheetos and shit.
Junk snacks. Yeah, like hot
Smarties, candy, Cheetos.
It was better. It was better than I was eating before.
I think these are a lot more fresh. You know, it's like it comes like every Monday, right? See, that's fresh.
Do you feel that the boxes helped you with your ability to learn?
Yeah, it did. It made me feel more energetic.
Because I know like kids who don't eat that much neither, it kind of helps them like focus. I'm already energetic, I guess, during class, but sometimes I'd be like feeling sleepy and like, let me eat something. It gets me all energized for class.
It's amazing, you know? When I get my food, everything around me feeling good.
Yeah. Ever since I got these, I focused more. Like, I paid more attention. I'm getting better at my grades now. All this right here.
And would you like to see the snack box continue?
Yeah, for sure.
Do you think that this program should continue?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Do y'all think we should keep the snack boxes?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes! Keep the snack boxes.
Yeah.
Maybe a dinner box too.
Do you all want to see the snack program continue at Evergreen?
Hell yeah!
That was amazing!
Thank you.
Oh, hello.
Hey, we have some leftover fruit. There's persimmons, pears, and apples.
I love you so persimmons.
Was it tomato?
No, it's not.
Tastes like a tomato.
It's called a persimmon.
Am I supposed to take this off?
Look, you peel it. Good. This right here. Good. Oh, this is actually really good.
I go every classroom and just start eating on them because you know I just be hungry there.
You don't like these?
No, bro.
You're wrong.
You know what?
Oh, you want a snack?
All right, so this is my first persimmon.
Persimmon, yeah.
Looks like a tomato, but it's not. Got this.
It's delicious.
Yeah, definitely not a tomato.
Definitely not.
Delicious.
Yeah, I like to peel the outside and then just eat the inside,
Yeah,
and
no,
the
yeah, I like
inside's so delicious.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
You rock, FEEST. Woo!
Yeah!
That's perfect.